The weight of 2 pastries is 30.5 gram. Find the weight of 1 pastry and find the weight of 3 1/3 pastries. So before starting to solve any question in maths, we need to read the questions, each line of questions very minutely. The first line says the weight of 2 pastries is 30.5 gram. What does it mean? It means that there are 2 pastries, the weight of which total of 2 pastries weighs 30.5 gram. So now, if 2 pastries weighs 30.5 gram, what will be the weight of 1 pastry? It will be 30.5 divided by 2. It's simple unitary method. We are doing many to 1. That means we had the weight of 2 pastries, that is many. We are finding out the weight of 1 pastry. So by unitary method, we know many to 1. When we do, the operation is division. So we are dividing 30.5 divided by 2. Now how to do this division? 30.5 can be divided by 2. 2 can be represented in the form of 2 by 1. And in the next line we get 61 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. Now where this 61 came from? This mixed fraction 30.5 has been converted to a simple fraction 61 by 2. So for the conversion, we have kept the denominator as it is 2. Then we have multiplied 2 with the whole number 30. 2 into 30 gives us 60 plus the numerator is added, that is plus 1, 60 plus 1, 61 by 2. And also we have done the reciprocal. Divided sign has been changed to multiplication sign and 2 by 1 has been changed to 1 by 2. This is the general rule of division of fractions. Now, the answer is 15 1 by 4. How did it come? So we had 61 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. Now we multiplied the denominator with the denominator and it gives us 4, and numerator with the numerator it gives us 61. Since it is an improper fraction and our question was a mixed fraction, so let us change the improper fraction to mixed fraction. For that we have to divide 61 by 4. So 4 multiplied by 1 gives us 4. If we subtract that, it will give us 2 and 1 will come down with it. So it will become 21. Now we have to multiply 5 with 4 to get 20, which is closest to 21, and subtracting that, the remainder we get 1. So after getting this, the remainder goes to the numerator of the mixed fraction. The divisor goes to the denominator of the mixed fraction. Now, one pastry costs 15 1 by 4 grams. This is our answer. Find the weight of 3 1/3 pastries. This was the next part of our question. So, let us see what does 3 1/3 means. 3 1/3 means there are 3 pastries already and there is one more pastry which has been cut into 3 parts. So, the other 2 parts are not there and the third part comes and join this group. So, there are 3 whole pastries and 1/3 of another whole pastry. This is called 3 1/3. Now, one pastry weighs 15 1/4 gram. So, 3 1/3 pastry will weigh how much? This is a one to many problem. So, we have the weight of 1. We have to find out the weight of many. In that case, what should we do? One pastry weighs 15 1/4 gram. 3 and 1/3 pastries weighs 15 1/4 multiplied by 3 1/3. Simple. So now let us do the multiplication. 15 1/4 multiplied by 3 1/3. It gives us 61 by 4 multiplied by 10 by 3. So 15 1/4 has been converted to 61 by 4. The mixed fraction has been changed to improper fraction. Same for here. 3 1/3 has been converted to 10 by 3. After that, we get 305 by 6. Now, how is that possible? There will be a cancellation. So, 4 and 10 can be cancelled with each other by 2. 2 is a common factor of 4 and 10. 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4 and 2 multiplied by 5 gives us 10. So, now we can multiply 61 with 5. That will give us 305, and we can multiply the denominator with the denominator, that is 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 6. if we convert this improper fraction 300 by 5 by 6 into mixed fraction, we get 55 by 6. So the weight of 3 1 by 3 pastries is 55 by 6 grams. That's our answer.